Imagine you have a large glass jar full of marbles. There are red, blue, green, and yellow marbles, and you really want the green ones. How would you go about getting those green marbles out of that large glass jar? Would you shove your hand in there, fish around, pulling out the green ones and leaving the rest in the jar? Would you take that jar and just dump it upside down on the floor, making a mess, but then picking up all the green ones and leaving the rest? Or would you take the marbles out one by one, keeping the green ones and discarding the other colors? Now, imagine that instead of marbles, those are human beings. They're prospects for your business. That's how some businesses treat people. Some people end up feeling like they've been discarded, or ignored, or tossed aside. Have you ever had that experience? Well, what if there were a different way? What if you took out each marble one by one and you put them in a category that they belonged in? So you have all the red marbles together, green together, blue together, yellow together. How would the marbles feel? They're now with other marbles that are just like them. Now imagine for your business, you sorted your prospects into categories, and you had each category full of people that were just like them, with similar needs and wants. How would those people feel? They would probably feel like they belong, like they're with others that have a similar need and want. They're where they should be. And then this is when your business can then make the appropriate offers or take the appropriate actions with each of those categories. Now, what kind of difference might that make for your business if you're able to do that with your prospects? What kind of difference would that make for your prospects in terms of the way they feel like they've been treated by your business? And then the reputation that your business has with them.